found the problems which affecting your sales. And this is a woman. She is actually manufacturing the products from her home. If you are enrolling to my service, I will be providing these whole things. Before you are joining with me, this was the result. After joining with me, this is your result. So like I could increase their growth like around 3.9x. Before they were getting only 195 orders. Later that was increased to 745. The sales was 1.3 lakh before. Within 3 months, I could increase that to 5.16 lakh. And their echoes. This is really important. Echoes. In a simple way, the best echoes, I mean the sweet or successful echoes, is that the product was selling in a day, maybe around 10 to 15 orders was dispatching. So that's why the client could not manufacture the product all time. So the product went out of stock. So our products will be having really higher visibility, and also if we have higher visibility, it means we'll be getting really good sales also. Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today in this video we'll be talking about, I'm showing a client result. Okay, so 3 months ago a person called me, and it was a woman. Okay, so she was calling me and asking, hey Abdul, I just met you from YouTube. I found your videos are really useful for me. I really want to expand my business, but I'm hardly getting 1 or 2 orders per day. So that's not enough for me. I want to increase my business. So I said, okay, let me go through your account and first understand what's the problem, what's the thing that does not increasing the sales. Okay, so she said, okay, I will share you the email and the password. And after that, I go through their account, and I just found that the first thing is that their listing was not optimized well, and they also not running the campaigns properly, and their designs also not that much good. So after checking that, I just called her back and said that, okay, I have gone through your accounts and I have found the problems which affecting your sales. So she asked, what's the problem? So I said, your listings are not optimized well. You want to include the keywords which is ranking in the Amazon. Okay, so if you're using the proper keywords in your listing and the bullet points, if you're using these exact keywords in your listing, that will be bringing you really good sales. Plus, you need to campaign your products really well. Okay, so campaigning, while I went through their campaign, I just found that they are targeting other category also. So this is actually it's a cloth category, and this is a woman. She is actually manufacturing the products from her home and selling through the Amazon. So that's really good sales. That's really good business idea actually. So I said, okay, I can help you. So she have inquired about the charges and the about my plan, about my service. So I shared her all the details. If you're enrolling to my service, I will be providing these whole things. So we had a meeting in the Google Meet, and I just showed her the previous clients' reports and everything. So she is really satisfied, and she was willing to enroll to my package. Okay. So in this video, I'll be talking about, before she was joining with me, what was her sales, what was the echoes, what was the results of a campaign. Okay, so after the 3 months, now the 3 months service is finished. So after the 3 months, I will be creating a report to show the clients, before you are joining with me, this was the result. After joining with me, this is your result. So I could increase the sales to this. I could run the campaigns really well. So this is the result. So I will be explaining to the clients in a data by using the data and be explaining them. Okay, so without a further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is the report. Okay, so the report is from March. Okay, so first we can go through the Amazon total revenue. Okay, so before they were joining with me, their sales was around 1.3 lakh. Okay, and they were getting only 195 orders, and the sales was 1.3 lakh. That was a decent amount. So after that, I just started to optimize their listing, and I just started to campaign. Okay, so the campaign result I will be showing in the end. Right now we are getting the total sales. Okay, so within the span of 3 months, I could increase their sales up to 5.16 lakh rupees of sales. Okay, that means in the previous time, before they were joining with me, they were getting 185 orders. And after that, within 3 months, they have received 745 orders. Okay, so I could get, like I could increase their growth like around 3.9x comparing to their previous performance. Okay. So here I have briefly explained that before they were getting only 195 orders. Later that was increased to 745. The sales was 1.3 lakh before. Within 3 months I could increase that to 5.16 lakh. And this numbers, I mean, within 3 months only I have got the 5.16 lakh. Actually, this is not included. These details, these data are not included in this. This after I have mentioned the 745 and 5.16 lakhs. This is exactly the 3 months result. No any other previous data are included or mixed in this data. Okay. And after that, we are going through the Amazon campaign. Okay. So campaign is really, really important. A lot of people used to call me, hey, Abdul, I'm spending really good amount in the PPC, but I'm not getting really good sales. I'm spending 1,000 rupees, but I haven't received single order. So that's really loss for them, right? So before they were joining with me, you can see their sales was 35,000. They have spent around 35,000, and they have got the sales around 1 lakh. Okay, and they have got around 47,000 impressions, 10,000 clicks, and their echoes. This is really, really important. Echoes is 34%. That's actually taking our profits. Okay, so I will tell you one thing. In a simple way, the best echoes, I mean the sweet or successful echoes, is that we want to remain the echoes between 10 to 15. That's really good echoes. But apart from that, like more than 50%, it's actually affecting it is taking our product profit. Okay. So we want to focus on the echoes, even if you're getting the sales or not. Like echoes is really, really important, because even if you're getting really good sales, if the echoes is about 20, 30 or 50, it means we are not getting any profits through the campaigns. Okay, it's a loss. So, and also another thing is that echoes is also it is a part of the profit also. If we are getting really good, like for example, if we are selling a product for $1,000, and if you're getting like around 60% profit margin, then the echoes also is really fine. But I'm talking about the general thing. So in the generally, echoes is really good between 15 or 10. Okay, so that's really good echoes. So we can see that before they were joining with me, they were getting they have spent 35,000, and after joining with me, within 3 months I have spent only 43,000. But they have got only 1 lakh sales. But here I have got 2.86 lakh. It around 3 times I have doubled that. And the impressions also, you can see 47,000. It became to 2,56,000. And the clicks also increased to 4 times. 10,000 became to 42,000. And the echoes 34. I have reduced that to 15%. So this is the successful campaign which I'm talking about. Okay. And actually, this campaign was around 12%, but due to out of stock, I mean, the product was selling in a day, maybe around 10 to 15 orders was dispatching. So that's why the client could not manufacture the product on time. So the product went to out of stock. So that's why 3% echoes was happened from the client side. And I actually mentioned that also in the data, because before that I'm getting like around 12%, but it became to 15% only because of the client's problem. I want to tell you something, that if we are selling our products in the Amazon, make sure that our products have really good inventory. You need to focus on the inventory, because if we are starting to campaign our products will be slowly started to rank. I mean, while we are launching a new product, the product ranking will be around 100 or below that. So while we are giving the campaigns, the 100 will be coming to 80, 60, 50, 40, 30, and it will be coming to under 10 category. It means our products will be having really higher visibility, and also if we have higher visibility, it means we'll be getting really good sales also. So if we have really good stock, we need to maintain the stock. If the stock is going to out of stock, I mean, we have really fast, good selling product, and in a day, we don't have any units to sell. We are getting the orders, but our product is out of stock. No more quantities available. So that time, our competitors will be ranking after us. So that's why our product will be starting to go again to downside. So we need to spend really good campaigns again. So that then only we'll be starting to increase our ranking again to the place from where we came down. Okay. So like it was around 12%, but it's fine. Still, we have 15%. That's really good. So coming to the campaign, they spent 35,000. We also spent around 43,000, and they got only 1 lakh. Okay, but we got nearly 1.86 lakh. It means around 3 lakh. Okay. Echoes was 34%, while before they were joining with us, and 50%, but 4% was only happened from the client side due to auto show. And the clicks also doubled 4 times. And you can see the impressions. Impressions means the people, the people are seeing our products, right? So if we are campaigning on products, then we want to make sure that we are campaigning because we want to tell to the customers that we have really good product and we are selling in this price. We are advertising to the audience, right? So that's why we can see like they were spending 35,000 and they're getting only 47 lakh impressions, right? But we have spent only 43,000 and we have received 2.56 crore worth of impressions. Okay, so that's really amazing results. Okay, so in the end we can see that overall advantages after joining with me. Okay, you can see that I will be creating the data. So we can see I have optimized all the listings with the keywords. We need to make sure that we have used proper keywords in all the listings, because if we have the keywords only, then only our product will be organically ranking. So optimization is really, really important. And after that, I have increased the product ranking. Once we are including the keywords in the listing, then automatically our product ranking will be increasing. And also we have started to campaign, right? So additional boosting will be there. And we have increased the sales near to 4x. 4x, I mean, if they're getting 1 lakh sales, within 3 months, we have upgraded it to 4 lakh. So that's really good. And the client is also really satisfied with the result. And we can see the campaign sales from 1 lakh to 2.56 lakh. Okay, we have increased the sales. And the overall sales, this is the campaign sales. Campaign sales means if you are advertising a product, from that advertising, the sales will be coming, right? In that way, we have generated 2.56 lakh. In overall sales, including the campaign sales and the organic sales, we have increased the sales from 1.33 lakh to 5.16 lakh. And we have increased the orders from 195 orders to 745 orders, okay? And we have reduced the echoes. We have said that the echoes is really high. So before they were joining with us, their echoes was 34%. And we have reduced that to 12%. And the clicks, I mean the campaign clicks was 10.5K. We have increased that to 42K. And the impressions also 47 lakh to 2.56 crore. And all the listings were managed well. If sometime, the listings will be going some error due to some error, sometime if our image have some problems, then the listing will be going to disable, something like that. So we'll be focusing on these problems and we'll be managing to not to happen any problems, right? So we have managed all the listings in the 3 months really well. And to boost the sales, we have created the coupons, okay? And we have created few listings. Clients have, we have suggested the client to add some new designs, to add some new size variations or color variations or anything or entirely different products. So we'll be helping to list the new products, okay? So another thing is that sometimes the images will be having some problems. Amazon, according to Amazon policy, in the main image, they might be having some problems. If you are using some watermark in the main image, there is a high chance to get our listing image rejected, right? So once our image is rejected, it means our listing will be disabled. No one can purchase our product or they can see our product. So listing errors we have solved. So at the end, we can see we have created 390% growth within 3 months. Okay, so that's a result for this client. So if you have any doubts, I will be adding my number in the description. So if you have any doubts, you can call me. Feel free to ask. And I'm really glad to help you, to support you, okay? And we have really good community also. So if you're messaging us, we'll be adding you to the community as well. Okay, so thank you for this is the overall thing. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.